Hi everybody, welcome to Yogurt number 3. So Yogurt number 3, I'm going to focus a little bit on the low back and the spine. So far we've worked on the shoulders and neck, the hips. And so in Yogurt number 3, it's a chance to simply release some of the tension that you've been created. So let's start in child's pose. Come down onto all fours. If you can, drop the tops of the feet down and slowly let the hips sink back. Head rests against the mat. If the head cannot reach the mat, use stacked fists, or you can use a block. And then start to rock from side to side. And as you do, creep the knees apart so it creates even more space for the belly, allowing the belly to nestle down between the thighs. Really allow the chin to tuck against the chest, releasing the back of the neck. So feeling that all the way along the spine, from the low back down to the spine. Inhale, slowly come up, hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Spread the fingers nice, comfortably wide. Rotate elbows in and forward. Lift the chin and feel the arch in the low back. And then exhale, tuck the chin. Just working through cat and cow with those small movements. Feeling that low back release. The next time you come to neutral, curl the toes, bend the knees, and push back into bent knee downward dog. As you push back, extend openly and evenly around the periphery of the hand, finger pads and heel palm. Lengthen through the arms. Let the shoulder blades come apart so you feel the eyes of the elbows attempting to rotate towards the ceiling. And now extend the crown of the head towards the thumbs, feeling a nice long neck. And then extend the hips back a little further, tailbone to crown, getting longer. Slowly press both heels down towards the floor. Look between the hands and walk the feet up towards the hands, coming into a forward fold. I'll rotate towards the camera. Oh no, I'll do it sideways. Grab hold of the elbows and just let the upper body dangle like a boneless trunk of an elephant. Just sway from side to side. Let the neck go. Keep that chin towards the chest, releasing tension. Now inhale, slowly drop the pelvis and reach the arms up over the head in that folded position into a variation of chair pose, and then exhale, forward fold. Inhale, lift the elbows once again. This time press through the heels and slowly stand up. Exhale, release into mountain pose. And then straddle the feet nice and wide. Slightly pigeon toe the feet. Have the ankles approximately equidistant to the wrists, unless you have short arms and long legs, or vice versa. Bring the hands to the hips, push the pelvis back, and drop the hands down below you. Have the legs extended. Resist the temptation to lock the knees if you're hyperextensive. Walk the hands out into a wide-legged downward dog. Push the hips back. Lengthen through the arms, shoulder blades apart. Crown of the head reaching for the thumbs. Now walk your hands back, bring the left hand under the chest, or onto a block at any height or a chair. You can have a chair as well. Resting the left hand there, come into a rotation, bringing that right hand up, and then change sides. Right hand down, left hand reaches up, look up towards the ceiling. Exhale, come down, and then micro bend the knees, slowly stand up, rotate that right foot towards the top of the mat. Left foot is either parallel to the back of the mat or slightly indented, pigeon-toed. Hands on the hips, bend that right knee and back. Bend, bring the hands out to the side, bring the right elbow over the top of the left, and then rotate that hand clockwise and drop the head towards that left shoulder, just like we did in Yogurt number 1. Release, reach the hands out, trace the horizon, and clasp the hands behind the back. Push the hands down, straightening. You can use a strap there as well. And then exhale, hinge forward. As you hinge forward, bring the head down towards the ground, yoga mudra, lifting the arms up. Inhale, slowly come up. Hands out. Reposition that front foot. Push the hips back. Come down. Come out into wide-legged downward dog. Push the hips back. Walk the hands back, micro bend in the knees, slowly come up. Rotating the other foot, left foot towards the back of the mat. Back foot either parallel to the back edge. Back leg nice and straight and strong. Bend that front knee and straighten. Bend and straighten. The next time you bend, open up warrior 2. And then bring the left hand on top. Eagle arms. Let the left hand fall to the left, ear fall to the right. Inhale, neutral. Release, sweep the hands around the horizon. Clasp the hands behind you, extend the knuckles. Feel that stretch across the chest, and then exhale, hinging forward, head towards the ground. Feel that low back release. For 3, 2, and 1. Release. Bring that left foot forward. Bend the knees, lean into the hands, and just jump the feet together and come down for a few moments of sitting. Close the eyes for a moment. Feel yourself. Feel the back and the spine. In this 10-minute yoga session. Gently turn the head to the left. Inhale, neutral. Turn the head to the right. Come back to neutral. Relax the face. Feel the breath. Bring the hands together in prayer. Namaste. So let me know how you're enjoying these yogettes. That's number 3 of a series. So your feedback's going to be important. The next series I make will be doubling the length of time. So we'll go from a particular body part include a little bit of whole body movement as well. So we'll double the time. And then my final series will be a half-hour series. So then you have the choices, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, plus all my 60-minute videos. So have a wonderful day. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care.